So quickly, the first thing you do is to place your neckline measurement 3 inches for wideness and 3.5 inch downwards for depth. And then you place your shoulder measurement, your round shoulder divided by 2, slope by 1 inch, and connect to the neckline. And after that, we're going to add our armhole measurement, your round armhole divided by 2. Place from the beginning of the pattern paper and mark at the point. And then just ensure that it's correct. Do same thing at the lower part and then connect to your shoulder slope. Divide the armhole by 2, mark the midpoint, and then go inwards to your pattern by 0.5, and then use your curved rule to connect the 3 points. After that, let's place our dart measurement. Our dart measurement, or our bust apart measurement, is our bust span divided by 2. We'll mark it all the way down and connect it. So after doing that, we're going to take all our vertical measurements and place them on this line. This is where we'll be marking for our darts. So you take your bust point measurement, your under bust, and your waist line measurements. Take it on the 2 ends of the pattern and connect the lines for accurate measurement. And then now we'll be taking the darts. You go down on the bust line by 0.5, take 2 inches or 1.5, depends on how busted the person is, from both sides of the under bust, and then 1 inch on both sides of the waistline. Connect to the 0.5 on the bust line and connect all the way down to the waistline. So we'll be cutting this part out. And now you add your horizontal measurements, which is your round body measurements divided by 4. Mark them, add 2 inches allowance. For the under bust where you took a dart, and for the waistline, don't forget to replace the dart. So you measure what you have in that dart space, replace it before you add your 2 inches body allowance, and then you connect your points with your curved rule. This is the basic body measurement before you begin to style for anything. This is just the basic body measurement. For this particular person, yours could look a bit different, but this is basically how it's done. So I'm just writing out everything that we measured, the measurements we took out on every point. So I'm just marking them down and writing them on the pattern for reference sake. I'll just trace the points we're going to be cutting with a dark pen so that it can be very visible in our next video, where we use this pattern to style a dress. Thank you, and follow me for more easy sewing patterns that I'll be sharing on both my YouTube channel and Instagram. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all social media platforms at PepsArtDesigns 001. Thank you. See you on the next video.